Now let's talk on the form. 1 over a plus b sin x plus c cos x dx. You know in the previous one, we have it to be sin square cos square. But in this instance, it is just sine and cosine. The substitution we are going to make here is to make t equals tan half x. Okay, tan x over 2. Let's make it like that. Now, if we have t to be equal to tan x over 2, let's look for how to get sin x and cos x. Now, if we have this, you know the previous one was x, but now we have it as x over 2. What will be tan theta? If this place is t, this place will be 1. And this place will be 1 plus t squared. Everything in terms of x over 2. So which means that our cos x over 2 will be equal to 1 over root of 1 plus t squared. Our sin x over 2 will be equal to c over root of 1 plus t squared. And let's look for expression for x. So we know that sin x will be equal to 2 sin x over 2 cos x over 2. You remember, if we have sin 2 theta, it will be 2 cos theta sin theta. So we are going to have it to be equal to 2. What's our sin? T over root of 1 plus t squared. Cos 1 over root of 1 plus t squared. So this one at the end of this is going to be 2t over 1 plus t squared. Now, for cos x, that's going to be cos square x over 2 minus sin square x over 2. And what does that mean? We are going to square this and subtract this one from it. So we are going to have 1 over 1 plus t squared minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. So it's going to be 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. Now, we have gotten this. Let us now see what our dx will be. So, we have t to be equal to tan x over 2. So, dt dx will be equal to sec square x half sec square x over 2. You remember? And that is going to be half. What is sec x over 2? 1 plus t squared. 1 plus t squared. So the x now will be equal to dt over 1 plus t squared over 2, which is 2 over 1 plus t squared. So we have our ready-made answers now. T is tan x over 2. Sin x is 2t over 1 plus t squared. Cos x equals 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. And dx, oh sorry, this one we have dt, will be equal to 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So you can see. So with this now, we can easily work with expression like this. So let's look at 1 or 2 examples. Now we have this example now. To integrate 1 over 5 plus 4 cos x. In this instance, we let t to be equal to tan x over 2. So cos x will be equal to 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. Dx will be equal to 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So let's work this out. Therefore, 5 plus 4 cos x will be equal to 5 plus 4 into 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared, which will give you 5 plus 5t squared plus 4 minus 4t squared over 1 plus t squared. This is going to give you 9 minus 9 plus t squared, sorry, over 1 plus t squared. So, therefore, dx over 5 plus 4 cos x will be equal to this one, reciprocal of that, that is 1 plus t squared over 9 plus t squared 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So, we can now have it like this. So, we are going to have 2 dt over 3 squared plus t squared. You see? So, we can now work conveniently with this. So, this is going to give us 2 arctan no 1 over 3, yeah, t over 3 plus c, which is going to give me 2 over 3 arctan tan x over 2 over 3 plus c. So that's the answer. Let's quickly work on this. We have dx over 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. We know that if t is equal to tan x over 2, sin x will be equal to 2t over 1 plus t squared. Cos x will be equal to 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. And dx will be equal to 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So with this, we will now do necessary substitution. So let's work on the denominator first. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x will be equal to 3 into 2t over 1 plus t squared plus 4 into 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. So this gives me 60 plus 4 minus 4t squared over 1 plus t squared. So we can leave that one like this. Therefore, this expression here will be equal to 1 plus t squared over 60 plus 4 minus 4t squared. And what is dx? 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So this one cancels this. So this expression has now become 2 dt over 4 plus 60 minus 4t squared. Now let's continue this. Let's work on this denominator again. 4 plus 60. Okay, before we go on, let's do something. Let's divide 2 by 4 again. So we are going to have 2 over 4 dt 1 plus 3 over 2t minus t squared. Now, let's use completing the square to separate this one here. So we are going to have something like this. 1 plus 3 over 2t minus t squared will be equal to minus into t squared minus 3 over 2t minus 1. So you can see, we should be minus into t squared minus 3 over 2t plus 3 over 4 squared minus 3 over 4 squared minus 1. So, minus into t minus 1n 3 over 4, sorry, squared. This one is 9 over 16 minus 25 over 16. So we are going to have it like this. That is going to be 5 over 4 squared minus c minus 3 over 4 squared. So you can see we have come to familiar expression now. So this will be the denominator now, and we'll be able to express it in the normal way. So this one will now be equal to, we have this half, and then dt over 5 over 4 squared minus c minus 3 over 4 squared. Now, if you remember, this is something we are familiar with also. It's going to be half ln 5 over 4 plus c minus 3 over 2 over 4, sorry, over 5 over 4 minus c minus 3 over 4 plus c. So, and that is going to be half ln, if we multiply through by 4, 5 plus 40 minus 3 over, doing the same here, 5 minus 40 plus 3 plus 6, which is half ln 5 plus, sorry, half ln, so this one is minus, this one is plus, 5 and 2 plus 40 over 8 minus 40 plus c. And we know that c is tan x over 2. So we can also express it like half ln 2 plus 4 tan x over 2 over 8 minus 4 tan x over 2 plus c. You can still divide this one by 2. So we have half ln 1 plus 2 tan x over 2 over 4 minus 2 tan x over 2 plus c. So if you want to divide more, you can still go ahead and do that. So that's the answer. So the answer will now be half 1 over 2 times 5 over 4 ln 5 over 4 plus c minus 3 over 4 over 5 over 4 minus c minus 3 over 4 plus c. We have 1, so this one is going to cancel this. This will give me 1 over 5 ln 5 over 4 plus c minus 3 over 4 over 5 over 4 minus c plus 3 over 4 plus c. If I continue, this one is going to give me 1 over 5 ln, look at this one, 2 over 4 plus t over 8 over 4 minus t plus c. So this one is half. Here, this one is 2. So if I should multiply through this one by 2, this one by 2, I'm going to have 1 over 5 ln 1 plus 2t over 4 minus 2t plus c. And we know that t is tan x over 2. So it's going to be 1 over 5 ln 1 plus 2 tan x over 2 over 4 minus 2 tan x over 2 plus c. Now the next one is this. 1 over 1 plus sine x minus cos x dx. You know what sine x will be? When, okay, let's start with this again. Let t equals tan x over 2. sine x will be equal to 2t over 1 plus t squared. Cos x will be equal to 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. And dx will be equal to 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. Let's first of all work out this denominator. So 1 plus sine x minus cos x will be equal to 1 into 1 plus t squared plus 2t minus 1 minus t squared. So let me do it straight. Plus t squared over 1 plus t squared. So it's going to be 1 plus t squared minus 1 plus t squared plus 2t over 1 plus t squared. So this one will move out. So we are going to have 2t squared plus 2t over 1 plus t squared, which is 2 into 2t, okay, into t plus 1 over 1 plus t squared. Now, this expression can be easily written as 1 plus t squared over 2t into t plus 1 dot 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So, which will give me, okay, this one will give this, dt into t plus 1. Now, let's separate this one using the knowledge of partial fraction. So we have 1 over t into t plus 1 will be equal to a over t plus b over t plus 1. So 1 will be equal to a into t plus 1 plus b into t. Let t be equal to 0. T equals 0. So we are going to have 1 equals to a. No, this one is 0, this one is 0. So a equals to 1. Let t be equal to minus 1. So we have 1 will be equal to minus b. So b equals to minus 1. So this expression now will be equal to 1 over t minus 1 over t plus 1 dt. So you see, very easy to handle now. Now, we can now integrate this conveniently. So this one will be ln t minus ln t plus 1 plus c. So it should be ln t over t plus 1 plus c. And we know what t is. Tan x over 2, which should be ln tan x over 2 over tan x over 2 plus 1 plus c. So, you can see, everything is very simple. With practice, your work will be faster and neater. So, practice more, look for more exercises, and if there is anything you feel like you need clarification for, you can get to us through the channels in the description. Thank you for staying so far. I appreciate. Kindly share, subscribe if you haven't, make comments, like, please, and let this thing go viral as you have been doing before. Thanks for your assistance.